Your mattress can bear the brunt of lots of gross spills and stains. Remember, the sooner you treat any stain, the better. So follow along as we show you how to tackle everything from a run-of-the-mill spill to a full-blown disaster. We'll start with red wine, and it gets worse from there. Blot red wine with a cold, damp cloth. Then treat it with this solution: 1 part dish soap plus 2 parts hydrogen peroxide. Wait several minutes, then blot until the stain is gone. Psst. Enzyme cleaners really come in handy when it comes to stains. They're designed to break down a variety of stains, from pet poo to protein-based stains like blood. For blood, blot it with cold water, then dab it with hydrogen peroxide. Then spray it with an enzyme cleaner. Let it sit for several minutes to dissolve the blood, then blot it dry. Okay, urine. Never rub in urine. Instead, get 2 washcloths. Spray one with an enzyme cleaner, enough to dampen but not oversaturate. Blot up what you can with the other dry cloth. Then dab the stain with the wet cloth. Then blot with the dry cloth. Keep going with the dab, blot situation until the smell and stain are gone. For poop, remove what you can. Dab it with a cloth sprayed with enzyme cleaner. Keep dabbing until the stain dissolves and there's no more odor. For vomit, you're gonna want to clean up the excess. Once you do that, sprinkle on baking soda. Leave the baking soda on for 10 minutes. Then vacuum up the baking soda. Then dab on some enzyme cleaner. For mud, remove the excess, let it dry completely, then vacuum it up. For the stain that's left over, dampen a cloth and blot. Then spray it with an enzyme cleaner. Blot it dry again, let it dry completely again, then spread it with baking soda, and finally vacuum it all up. To avoid the hassle in the first place, CR says to consider a washable mattress cover or a waterproof one. For more on caring for your mattress and access to our exclusive mattress ratings, go to cr.org/mattress.